let's do another application of uncertainty principle, that is to prove the non-existence of electrons in the nucleus. Right now we know that the nucleus contain only protons and neutrons, with the electrons orbiting around the nucleus. But now so we have to prove that electrons does not exist, but using uncertainty principle. So initially let's assume that the electron is also part of the nucleus. So let the nucleus have a dimension, say R0. So if we are supposing that the electron is part of the nucleus, then the minimum uncertainty in its position, it must be 2R0, which is the diameter. So the uncertainty principle, which says delta x, delta p is of the order of h cut. So that can be replaced as delta x. Let us take it as 2R0. So delta p will be approximately h cut by 2R0. Now we know the values of R, right? The radius of the nucleus. So let's give the typical values here. So h cut is 1.054 into 10 power minus 31 divided by 2 into the radius of the nucleus, 10 power minus 14. So this value approximately is 5.28 into 10 power minus 21 kilogram meter per second, the unit for the momentum. So this is the momentum that we get by giving the typical values of the radius of the nucleus. If momentum is of this order, then the kinetic energy can be obtained from the equation. Kinetic energy T is P square by 2m. So let's give the values of P, 5.28 into 10 power minus 21 the whole square by 2 into mass of the electron, 9.31 into 10 power minus 31. And this comes out to be 95.7 mega electron volt. So in mega electron volt, it is approximated to 100 MeV. So this is the approximate value or the order of the kinetic energy of an electron if it was supposed to be a part of the nucleus. So remember that argument. We started by saying that electron is part of the nucleus and have assumed so to derive the kinetic energy of the electron. So if that electron was part of the nucleus, then its kinetic energy would have been 95.7 MeV, mega electron volt. So this is 10 power 6 electron volt. The proof comes here. From beta decay, we get the kinetic energy of electron, approximate kinetic energy of electron emitted from the atom. Approximate kinetic energy of the electron emitted by beta decay, it comes out only to be a few MeVs, not 100 MeVs. This is ruled out, that power is ruled out. So only a few MeV electron volt electrons are coming out from the electron decay, but not high energetic electrons. So this case will not be possible. So this is an observation. From beta decay, we get electrons which is of the whose energy is of the order of few mega electron volt only, not high electron volts. So this possibility is ruled out. It's that possibility that we have assumed the electrons to be part of the nucleus. So that argument is gone, and we have to admit to the fact that electrons cannot exist inside the nucleus.